Hi everyone, Jack here from the Boats and Motors Department at Defender Industries in Waterford, Connecticut. Today I'm going to be walking you through the 2022 Achilles HB-315DX Rigged Package. We're going to be starting going bow to stern on this boat. This specific model is 10'4" in length, has a capacity of 4 people. The whole material is a molded fiberglass with a white gel coat, and the tubes are a Hypalon CSM material in light gray. Starting with the bow of the boat, we're actually going to go to the underside of the bow. So you'll see a single bow eye here. We also have a port and starboard tow eye that allows for safe towing on this boat with a 3-point bridle. Additionally, up on top, you'll see a wear patch. This wear patch comes factory installed from the Achilles factory. It's a common area for boarding as well as anchoring. We figured, hey, let's make it a little bit more robust and so you have some protection on the tubes. Moving back here, you have your anchor locker. In the anchor locker, you'll find a 3-gallon gas tank. This gas tank is internally routed underneath the deck, so there's less things to trip on, no fuel line above the deck. Additionally, you'll see some D-rings installed right on the bow here. Traditionally, people would tie off onto these handles, causing chafing to the handles and premature failure. These D-rings are a safe place to tie off of and a great resource for those docking their boat. Behind the bow locker, Defender includes a igloo cooler with a cushion seat on it. This cooler serves as a great way to keep your drinks cold, but also serves as an additional seat. It could also be removed when not in use. It has 2 latches. These D-rings fold flat. Next up is the console. Moving up to the console, we have access to our rigging here by a single latch to get inside. Additionally, we have a grab handle on top, a great place to mount clamp mounted electronics, GPS systems. Also serves as a handle for your passenger that's not your steering wheel or the throttle. You have your remote throttle here with tilt controls. You have your idle lever as well as your keyed ignition. Next up is our console hatch. In the console, you'll find a lithium-ion battery. It's not currently in there, but it lives in that battery box, and then you still have room to store additional items on top. Behind our console, we have a folding bench seat. Bench seat folds down and then can be folded up where you have access to your storage to hold foot pumps, owner's manuals, gears, really anything you need for a day out on the water. This area also is a great area to put your personal flotation devices. Moving on back, we have our fuel water separator. This is a Raycor fuel water separator. It allows for a cost-effective replacement as well as easy maintenance. We also have 2 stern eyes. These 2 stern eyes complete the 4-point lifting system on this package. We have our outboard power for this boat. Could be 2 options. We either rig it with a Tohatsu 20 or a Honda 20. Both models offer power tilt, and performance on this package will really vary based on the load that is in the boat as well as sea conditions. The boat will get on plane with 1 to 2 people, no problem. If you're seeking a rocket ship, this might not be the boat for you. But if it is the right boat for you, you could contact us at inflatables@defender.com or visit our site at defender.com and we can assist you further. Thank you for watching.